Hello, my name is Man Kunjam and I am a student of SOP. I am currently run in the Now Gurukul, and in there I have some skills about programming like JavaScript. I have from learned to before 3 months ago, right? That I have learned about JavaScript and I have some basic concept clear. So I have that much create to use of uh, JS. So I have uh, created one project like as you can see my project and wait this is my project and it is a UI and it means whenever we means I made a about quiz application, right? This is a smallest about concept clear about that. Okay, so let's see what is the picture of and what means my goal purpose and what about that and uh, my I was my purpose in the that game made. So I was clear about concept and how to work it JS and how will be used in real make project and that means clear about JS concept. Okay, so this is a UI. This is question. We have total of three question and mode single choice because of I don't create a double choice and time it is no limit. You can if you don't know question answer and anything, so you can take and didn't taken very so much time because you don't have time limit. That is picture, right? So it was is fun and general knowledge about that. Okay, so let's be seen about that. Whenever I click start queue, so it will be start and load on queues questions, right? Like you can see now that I will click and you can see I have a question of first, right? So my question is what is the capital of India, right? um, you know our capital of India, New Delhi, right? So it is right. That's why there is so green color. And whenever I click a wrong answer, so it will be correct red. Next question, you let's see. So 2 plus 2 means like 4, na? So you know like you have seen that before. Uh, for example that much is right now, so it will be so in about green, right? And it is wrong. 2 means 4 like as it is wrong now. So you can see what is the picture of whenever I click that in option, so it will be shown red color because of it is wrong, it is correct. That's it. Okay, so next question I will have about that. From which direction does the sunrise means uh, which direction is the sunrise, like east. Okay, so click and I have clicked. So we was three question but I correct two question. I correct two question and you can see as a score of 2. Wow, because of one question is incorrect, that's why. So I will click the next question. So you can see you finished the quiz. I have correct in two question, like two question. I was three question but I have correct two question, that's why in there is score of 2. Okay, so we want to again play with that quiz, so you can do restart. So that means that is my UI, and as you know how it will be working in code, so you can see. Let's do start with our code explanation, right? So it is my index HTML because of I have done index HTML like HTML I have done before of 3 months ago. and I also CSS I have done. So let's use in it is my project or not. As you can see, it is my project. So let's go explain about that code, right? So I have now page 3. In there we will explain about JS. So let's go in JS code. So you can see I create a that's it code. Okay. So I create that code, but how you know key that is correct and how it will working? So you don't know, na? So I will explain about myself and on. I didn't write on myself because of I write everything, but it is smallest working, and I didn't did about a clean UI. That's why I did something chat GPT I tools used. Okay, so it is constant. Like const means correct value, fixed value, constant value. That's it. Means while we are using that code, it will be not change anywhere. Like in their store. In future, we cannot change code, right? That's it. Const means okay. So in there, I create a array of object. You know, array of object. Array of object means key value pair of. That's it. Okay. So I create a one option like a no. I create a one array inside the uh, almost you can say that like you can say that array of object like this is question like question and like answer we have in there answer of option of four like first answer is Mumbai, New Delhi, like Kolkata, Chennai. So what is the question? What is the capital of India? Like this is question. So you know what is the capital of India? Mumbai. Not it is false. All thing false. But our answer is what is the capital of India? New Delhi. You know, right? So it will be correct on that. Okay. Same thing also in there. Have a like that's it. And this is a element of HTML we can access up with document, right? And let current index value 0. Why we will why we have you that 0 number because of we find about current value 0. That's it. Total question element dot inner text, right? Like question, that is questions, right? Questions, in that question we store in here total question element inner text. Okay, we store in there, we store it in their store. Okay, so question length it will be stored about question length, and we will whenever we open that quiz, so it will load, it will be load on past like welcome class list. That's it. And remove like a past page on load. So welcome it will be remove. Okay, and it is add all thing add like function start use whenever its code completes, so again start. That's okay. So how it will calling on downside. Okay, and where is start queues, current index is equal to 0, score 0. Okay, um, like you can see as you like we didn't start anything, so in there you have like zero score that much. Okay, that thing. And okay, that thing. So it will be again call welcome question, right? uh, After complete it will calling show question, not welcome question, show question. So it will calling show question, means whenever click start button, so it will be complete about that, and after that call it that. Okay, so first we have call function, like don't call function, like this is will be calling about clean answer, like we, for example, uh, that is start use whenever click, so it will be shown zero, and uh, again after that so question means we have some question, and we didn't select any question, so it will be clear on that. And after that we have to store in current question, this is a variable, and questions current index, current index is zero, like wait, wait, current index is zero, and we store in there question element in a text is equal to current question, like that's it. And current question answer for each means we have to uh, run in each element. Okay, so uh, it will be create one button, and inside the button we have some text add, and we have some text add. After that it will be a button add on button, and button class element, and it will be check on true or false, and that's it. Okay, update answer, whenever we have to write or true, right or true, or false, so it will be update on number. Okay. Then function clear, like it is, you can see it is in there, didn't anything working because of it will be while we have to start that question, so it will be called in, where is in there. Okay, in there, and students choose answer, like we have whenever while using that quiz, so we have to create like any option select, so it will be check first, like store in there correct or not, and it will be, if it is correct, so it will be increase one number, and area form of this is a, like we have to vary so much applications, right? Means like don't application, we have to vary options, so it will be stored in there, and it will be check and anything, so update status, and again it will be update status and remove hide. Okay, and function it will be also same thing, so it is a show result, you can see, as you know, it will be easy, and whenever options click, so it will be right or wrong, so it will be call on that, like so result. Okay, it will be call and in there, like we have to any uh question length, we have to length three question na? So it will be call about in there, and that's it.